Warning, you may feel envy after watching this video. I apologize ahead of time, but I can't help sharing 5 most awesome organizing blogs out there that you need to visit. If you are obsessed with trying to organize your home and life, then grab a seat, my friend. In case you don't know who I am, I'm Shanice Banis. I'm a pro organizer, lifestyle blogger, and wedding planning expert from my site, cityofcreatedreams.com. The reason why I created this video is to share the most awesome organizing blogs and bloggers out there whose homes are simply incredible. This will make you look at your home twice. I know it did for me. Let's do this. This is by far my favorite organizing website. Jen Jones actually inspired me to start blogging. I was a closet organizer until I saw her website and was like, I can actually do that. Almost 6 years later, and I'm still doing what I love. I love her colorful organizing printable and color infused style. Now, her home is incredible. My favorites is, you guessed it, everything. But if I had to choose, it would be her living room. It's stunning. And the second one I would choose would be her teen bedroom makeover. But ultimately, everything. Next is Erin from Sunny Side Up. She welcomes you into your home with smiles and her obsession with organizing. That I can relate to. I have to say I really love her kitchen organizing style. It's very sleek, white, and farmhouse style. Another part of her home that I love is her office. I mean, the amount of storage in there is incredible. Let's talk about a bowl full of lemons. Tony gets you motivated to organize your home and even has an organizing challenge, so she organizes along with you. I mean, I am all in for organizing challenge. My favorite parts of Tony's home is the bathroom because of the clean style, but also because I'm a sucker for drawer organizers. I also love her master bedroom closet because of all those gorgeous storage baskets. Are you loving these bloggers' organizing styles? If so, write love in the comments below. Now let's talk about Abby from Just a Girl and her blog. She has blown me away with all her many home transformations. One of my favorites is the garage. It has everything you need. A spot for bikes, hockey equipment, and cleaning supplies. I mean, dreams. That's not all. I also love how she organized underneath her kitchen sink. With simple organizing, clear containers, and clear drawers, she has made this place look amazing. Last but not least is City of Created Dreams. Now, I had to include myself because there's some organizing projects that blow my mind. My home is not like all the other bloggers. I actually live in an apartment, a 3-bedroom apartment that 6 of us share. It's 2 families in 1 apartment. But I wanted to share some of my organizing solutions because, believe me, our home would have to be organized. My favorite organizing project is my entryway closet. Those shoe hooks are everything. My second favorite is my pantry. I took an IKEA wardrobe and I turned it into our pantry because it's the only thing that was big enough to fit everything that we needed. That's it. These are 5 most awesome blogs that you need to check out. I have placed the links for each of the projects that I shared today in the description box. I have provided direct links to all the projects that I shared today in the description box below this video. If you're serious about organizing, then check out my free resources to help you in your organizing journey. You can grab the link for this below this video. If you know someone who would love this, then share it. Did this video help you? Are you ready to check out these bloggers? Let me know your favorite in the comments below. See you in the next video.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!